Okay, it's Friday, December 1st, first day of December in Toronto, 0 Celsius, and it was raining and rain turned into flurries. We're here on Front Street East in Jarvis. We're going inside the St. Lawrence Market, and we're going to be doing or having a food crawl. I am on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and this is gonna be for what's cooking for Lizzo C, and we're gonna get a bunch of food here. Don't let me splash me. Okay, we're gonna go in. Let's get a better look at St. Lawrence Market. For lunch today, I'm having potato and cheese pierogies from St. Lawrence Market that I picked up last week, I think, yep. And then I didn't get the bacon from St. Lawrence Market, but I just got it at Loblaws. So that'll be there, and I'll go in there. And then, unfortunately, I didn't have any onions. I would have sauteed onions, and so that's my lunch. Perogies. Look at that, sizzling away. Can't wait to dig in. And here's all plated up, ready for me to eat with some sour cream on the side and a sprinkling of parsley flakes. Yummy, yummy.